after the storms. I got Josh here with me. He's gonna be riding in his GMC, what is it, Canyon?
GMC Canyon AT4X AEV edition.
And you've been out here before. He's been out here probably, how long ago? When was the last time?
Last time I was here was maybe like 3 months ago, where I almost rolled this truck. Long story, I won't get into it, but I've only owned this truck for like 8 months and I almost rolled it already. Yeah, it's a great story.
Well, I feel like you're probably coming to ready to redeem yourself.
Yeah, pretty much.
And supposedly the trail's a little more beat up than the last time you were here
I'm
too.
excited for. This trail's beating right.
It's okay, we'll cut that out.
While we were driving through here, you can see on both sides, the right side was kind of beat, the left side was kind of beat from the storm, everything, all the flash floods and mudding. So looks like it's gonna be a good time here.
Yeah, it definitely changed a lot.
Yeah.
Like just on the way here, like you said. If you remember, or if you've seen the previous video, I was here kind of just exploring the area for my first time. So my memory is pretty fresh on how it looked like, and now I'm just curious. I'm coming here to check it out for myself and see what's changed, what's different. And I'm here to take you guys along for the ride. That way I can give you a good idea as to what it looks like now and kind of what to expect in case you're looking to come out here yourself. After just a few minutes of going through Stockton Flats, we came across a big change in the trail. There were these deep ruts that really flexed out our suspension. Nothing that wouldn't be doable in a high clearance vehicle. You could see where how high the road was before and then where it is now. The actual road that was here before, it's like a good 1 to 2 feet tall. Dang, if it's this bad here, I wonder how Coldwater Canyon, the trail to Coldwater Canyon is gonna be like.
I'm never stopping 'cause I'm always on go.
We stopped for a quick little photo shoot, and the snow-capped mountains are getting a little closer now, but I don't think we'll be able to reach them today. I wonder if that's Mount Baldy up there, right? That's what you were saying?
Might be the back part of Mount Baldy.
Okay. This thing is kitted out. This thing is kitted out.
Yeah, man, I told you, that's what the AEV
Full underbelly protection here. All right, so we just went to the end of Stockton Flats. There wasn't much there. The scenery was nice. The background was nice. Part of the road, the actual road of Stockton Flat, was washed out at the end right here. So if you're coming over here, I would suggest going down the riverbed the way that we're going today, because we try to go back through the actual Stockton Flat road, the one that's on Onyx Off-Road, and there was a piece that was completely missing, that was washed out. So now on our way to Coldwater Canyon. So I was reading the trail reports on Onyx about, you know, just checking to see the updates, what other people thought about it here. And they were saying high clearance is a must. Most people were saying. And I was like, oh, okay, this road, I mean, in the past, I've seen a RAV4 drive through here. So I was like, maybe they're just exaggerating. But driving through just the beginning here, I could definitely say high clearance is a must. So anything significant, I'm gonna mark it on Onyx and save it as a GPX file and then put it in the description. That way when you come out here, you'll have a reference as to what I'm talking about in this video. So we made it to the river crossing here. I think it's a little bit lower than it's been in the past few days. So we should get through it, no problem. Tire placement, I think, is an important factor here too. Let me show you. There's a few spots you can drive through. I think this one that I just showed you is the route to keep going through Coldwater Canyon. GX 460 that passed through the other way. Yeah, the water looks nice, super clear. So there's a few rutted sections here. It looks like they're still in the same condition. They don't look worse to me. They don't look, you know, better. Actually, this one's a little bit deeper in my opinion, but let's give it a shot. I'm gonna give you guys the outside view. met up with the Lexus GX owner right before the crest to the top of Coldwater Canyon. This is the most technical portion on this trail. If you see other videos, this is usually where people have a hard time, especially in rainy or snowy conditions. I opted for a little bit of a challenge in this one. There's about 3 different ways you can take this. You could take the one closest to the tree, take the middle like I did, or opt for the easier route and stick to the right side, which is the higher side.
When you're good.
Once you reach the top of Coldwater Canyon, you'll have one of the most scenic views on the trail, overlooking Lytle Creek and the new terrain that has become of the recent storm. It was getting late, so we decided to head back.
Tire on that one, your right one, and then your left on that one, and use your rock sliders maybe. Oh, okay. Back up, because you're gonna slide on your diff. All right, now go straight. And slow, controlled. You're gonna come down. When it comes down, go slow. Slow. It might slide. That's okay. Slide a rock slider. Nice. And then the back wheel needs to come down now too. It might slide. Slow. Oh, you're okay. Okay, you're good.
Damn, dude.
I hope you don't mind putting those to use.
Nah, dude, that's fine. Hell yeah.
You're good. Oh, this is a sketchy part, I guess. Nice.
Yeah, you're good.
Keep it to the right a little bit. All right, straight. You can. Is your other tire up probably? Because this one isn't moving.
Yeah, this one's in the air.
Oh, hold on. You have the center lock on? Hold on. All right, time to get some boulders in there. It's kind of hard with one hand. Maybe I should put the camera down. This should be good. It's gonna be easy. Nice. There you go. All right. All right, so we finished the trail now. We're back at where we started, airing up. What were your thoughts on the trail?
I'll show you. Look, it is. See? I'm not doing that.
You don't have the left side?
Trail was dope. It was sick. I redeemed myself. And the last time I was here, I almost flipped down a hill. So
You still got to tell that story.
Yeah, I'll tell it sometime.
Yeah, we didn't go over your truck, unfortunately. We got caught up once we made it to the top. We just chilled for a little bit and then ended up coming back down. But we got a little night ride in, so that was cool.